Today I have a big job, tending the royal garden. It needs my magic and attention. Oh no. I lost focus. I made a huge mistake. My beautiful garden is ruined. I have to fix this myself. No time to panic. The answer must be in the book. Gentle magic. I must fix this with care, not speed. Patience, Anila. Patience will make it right. It's slowly working. Almost clean. Look! We fixed half the garden already. Finished the job. Now be perfect. It's even better than before. I fixed my mistake. Friends, sometimes we make mistakes, but focusing and fixing them makes us stronger. Did you enjoy this rescue? Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!